Why is contract management essential for your businesses? Navigating complex agreements means understanding and following big written promises that people make to each other, and making sure everyone keeps their promises. This helps us work together better and get things done properly. Contract management is like a special job where people make important papers called contracts. These contracts help everyone understand what they are supposed to do and keep things fair. It's like a map that helps businesses stay on the right path and have good relationships with each other. It's important to do it well so that everyone is happy and things run smoothly. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Master Contract Management. Today, we've got a topic that's crucial for any business to run smoothly: contract management. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, understanding the basics of contract management is key. So, let's dive in. First things first, what is contract management? In simple terms, it's the entire process of creating, executing, and analyzing contracts. It's like the GPS for successful business relationships. Why contract management matters? But why care about contract management? Well, effective contract management ensures that everyone involved understands their roles and responsibilities, minimizing misunderstandings and disputes. It's the glue that holds business relationships together. Key components. Now, let's break down the key components of contract management. 1. Contract creation. First up, we have contract creation. This is where you draft a clear, comprehensive agreement that outlines all the nitty-gritty details. 2. Contract execution. Once you've got that perfect contract, it's time for execution. This is when all parties sign on the dotted line, making it legally binding. Make sure you get all the signatures you need. 3. Contract analysis. And don't forget about contract analysis. This is the phase where you review the contract, identify potential risks, and find opportunities for improvement. Benefits of effective contract management. So, what's in it for you? Let's talk about the benefits of effective contract management. 1. Risk mitigation. First off, it helps in risk mitigation. Catching potential issues early on can save you from headaches down the road. 2. Cost savings. Secondly, it can lead to cost savings. By optimizing resources and ensuring financial obligations are met, you're putting money back in your pocket. 3. Improved relationships. Thirdly, it contributes to improved relationships. When everyone knows what's expected, it creates a positive working environment. Common challenges in contract management. But, of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges too. 1. Lack of standardization. One common challenge is the lack of standardization. Having clear processes can streamline operations and reduce errors. 2. Poor communication. Another challenge is poor communication. Effective communication is the glue that holds everything together. Tips for effective contract management. Now, let's talk solutions. Here are some tips for effective contract management. 1. Standardize processes. First, standardize your processes. Templates and guidelines can bring consistency and efficiency to your workflow. 2. Improve communication. Second, improve communication. Set up clear channels to address concerns promptly and avoid misunderstandings. Conclusion. In conclusion, contract management is the backbone of successful businesses. By understanding these basics and implementing best practices, you're setting yourself up for success. Thanks for tuning in to Master Contract Management. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Drop your comments down below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, happy contracting!